Hello everyone, here I am Pooja Sharma from Arya College of Engineering and IT, Kukas, Jaipur. Today's my topic is Corona effect. These are contents: what is Corona effect, Corona formation, factors affecting Corona, reducing method of Corona effect, important terms related to Corona, advantage and disadvantage. What is Corona effect? The phenomena of ionization of surrounding air around the conductor, hissing noise and production of ozone gas is in overhead transmission line is known as corona effect. Air acts as a dielectric medium between the transmission line. In the other words, it is an insulator between the current carrying conductors. If the voltage induced between the conductor is of alternating nature, then the charging current flows between the conductor, and this charging current increases the voltage of the transmission line. The electric field intensity also increases because of the charging current. If the intensity of the electric field is less than 30 kV, the current induced between the conductor is neglected. But if the voltage rises beyond the 30 kV, then air between the conductors become the charge and they start the conducting. The sparking occurs between the conductor till the complete breakdown of the insulation property of conductor take place. Formation of the air. Formation of corona. The air is not a perfect insulator. Even under the normal condition, the air contains many free electrons and the ions. When electric field intensity stabilizes between the conductor, these ion and free electrons experience a force upon them. Due to this effect, the ion and the free electron get accelerated and move in opposite direction. The charged particle during their motion collide with one another and also with very slow moving uncharged molecule. Thus the number of charged particle goes on increasing rapidly. These increase the conduction of air between the conductor and its breakdown. Thus the arc stabilizes between the conductor. Factor affecting the corona atmosphere. When the corona formed due to the ionization of air surrounded the current conductor, therefore corona is affected by the physical state of atmospheric conduction. Conductor size. When the corona formed due to the ionization of air surrounded the conductor, therefore corona is affected by the physical state of the atmospheric condition. Spacing between the conductor. If the distance between two conductors is in much more as the compared to the diameter of the conductor, then the corona loss occurs in the conductor. If the distance between them is extended beyond certain limit, the dielectric medium between them get decreased and hence corona loss also reduce. Air density factor. The corona loss is inversely proportional to air density. The corona loss is increased with the decrease in density of the air. Transmission line passing through a hilly area may have higher corona loss than that of the similar transmission line in the plain, because in hilly areas the density of the air is very low. Effect of supply. If the supply voltage is high, corona loss is higher in the transmission line. The condition of the conductor surface. If the conductor is smooth, the electric field will more uniform as compared to the rough surface. The roughness of the conductor is caused by the deposition of dust, dirt and by the scratching etc. Effect of system voltage. Electric field intensity in the space around the conductor depends upon potential difference between the conductor. If the potential difference is higher, electric field intensity is also very higher and hence corona is also high. Reducing method of the corona. By increase the conductor spacing. Increasing the conductor spacing decreases the corona effect. By increasing conductor size, a large conductor diameter result in the decrease in the corona effect. Using bundle conductor also increase the effective diameter of the conductor, hence they reduce the corona effect. Using corona ring. The electric field intensity is stronger where there is a sharp conductor curvature. Because of this, corona discharge occurs first at the sharp point edge and the corner. Corona ring reduce the corona effect by rounding out the conductor. Important terms related to corona. The phenomena of corona plays an important role in the design of overhead transmission line. Therefore, it is a profitable to consider the following terms much used in the analysis of corona effect. First one is a critical disruptive voltage. It is a minimum phase neutral voltage at which the corona occurs. Under standard condition, the value of air density is del is equals to 1, and the critical disruptive voltage Vc is equals to G naught del R log E d upon R. The value of the G naught is directly proportional to air density. The air density factor del is equals to 3.92 B upon 273 plus T. The correction must be made by surface condition of the conductor. This is accounted for by multiplying the above expression by irregularity factor m naught. The critical disruptive voltage Vc is equals to m naught G naught del R log D upon R kV per phase. M naught 1 for polished conductor, 0.98 to 0.92 for dirty conductor, 0.8 to 0.84 standard conductor. Visual critical voltage. It is a minimum phase neutral voltage at which the corona glow appear along the line. The phase neutral effective value of the visual critical voltage is given by the following formula. V is equals to mv G naught del R 1 plus 0.3 upon square root of del R log D upon R kV per phase, where mv is another irregularity factor having the value of 1 for polished conductor and 0.72 to 0.82 for rough conductor. Power losses due to the corona. The formation of the corona is always accompanied by the energy losses which are dissipated in the form of light, heat, sound and chemical reaction. The power losses due to corona is given by P is equals to 242.2 F plus 25 upon del square root of R upon D P minus V square into 10 raised to power minus 5 kilowatt per kilometer per phase. F is supply frequency, V is phase neutral voltage and Vc is critical disruptive voltage per phase. Advantage: the increased diameter reduce the electrostatic stress between the conductor. Corona effect reduce the effect of transient, and some industry use the effect to remove the unwanted volatile organics from the atmosphere. Disadvantage: the glow appears across the conductor which shows the power losses occur on it. The audio noise occurs because of the corona effect which causes the power loss on the conductor. The vibration of the conductor occurs because of the corona effect. The corona effect produces the non-sinusoidal signal, thus the non-sinusoidal voltage drop occurs in the line. The power loss reduces the efficiency of the line. The radio and TV interference occurs on the line because of the corona effect. Thank you.